Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Hi mga kachapatis! Good morning everyone! Today is Labor Day and everyone doesn't have work, so we decided to grill outside and we're gonna have...
The work girls very slow. By the time you're done, we probably still have a lot of time to record.
We're gonna have a family mukbang. Hindi share na dahil sumasakit ulo ko daw eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kulang yata ako sa vitamin D. So ito, pinupi ko na to mga kachapapi. Nag-laundry lang kami para mabilis kasi nga kahapon yung aming mga sinuot is basa. So ang ginawa ng asawa ko, pumunta kami ng laundry mabilisan. And then sinama ko na lahat ng aming mga labahan para iisa na lang, di ba? Okay. So, ang maganda lang sa laundry, mabilisan mga kachapapi. Tuyo agad. So, yung asawa ko nag-ano na siya doon, nag-grill. Sabi ko sa kanya, video niya. Kaya lang ba, tinatamad. Hindi kasi marunong si Paper sa video ba. Wala siyang alam sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Kaya sabi ko, ako na nga lang. Habang nagtutupi ako, chismisan muna tayo. Kaya lang kasi masakit ang ulo ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sumasakit. Ang para bang magkakalagnat ba? Feeling ko kulang lang to ng chika. I mean chika yung daldal ba? Kasi kanina pa ako tahimik. Parang feeling ko magkakasakit ang pagkatahimik. Kaya dapat yung ating nagsasalita-salita din ba tayo kahit pa paano kasi minsan sumasakit ang ulo ko kaka-English.
I caught a message. I don't think.
You didn't reply? Maybe he's busy.
I don't think he
So, na-decide namin mag-mukbang. Bumili kami kanina sa festival ng mga kaek-ekan. Mga pang-grill. And then, meron akong beef dyan sa bahay. Gagawin kong beef barbecue. Minarinig ko lang siya sa mamasita. And then, mamaya, itusok-tusok ko ba? Para masaya. Dami naming nilaban ha. So, tupiin ko lang itong mga to. And then, labas tayo. Iwain ko rin pala yung mga Ihiwain ko rin pala yung mga kasi mag-iihaw ako ng squid na malaki. Ihiwain ko rin pala. Ang dami kong gagawin. Sana merong machine na yung nagtutupi na. Diba? Kasi parang feeling ko itong pagtutupi medyo matagal.
Yeah, what did you say? Huh? You reply?
Pero okay lang din. Isang ko kaya. Hindi, ano bang pakalamera na naman itong batang to eh? Ano ba nakikialaman mo dyan? Alamera kang bata ka. O baka kasi natataranta ako kaya medyo parang feeling ko I'm not feeling well. Kasi medyo ako natataranta pagka marami akong ginagawa, natataranta ako.
He said, I'll let you know how come.
Akala meron kang bata ka. Lumayas ka dyan. Dito kasi si Danny kaya hindi siya makalabas doon. Kaya sumisiksik siya dito eh.
Where do they live? Can you not talk to you?
Nakalaruin mo si doon. Si Danny. Takot siya gagana.
Well, by the time it gets there, it's going to be over already.
Tapain ko lang ito mga kachupato.
That's where you also...
Nice!
Don't turn it yet. It's just started. Okay, just off. It's fine.
I'd be very happy with 20 to show up.
I'll be back.
What happened?
I'll tell you in a little bit. It's all right, pretty fun.
Meron na tayong shish kebab beef. So ilalabas natin para iilaw ng ating asawa.
What are you doing there? Nice! Where's the, ano?
I'm gonna reignite the
Oh,
heat.
this is the sausage already?
Yeah, leave it in there so it stays hot.
Scotchy is doing
So, like, okay, I could take it with me. Nó có tàu lột hả? There I go. Có tàu lột hả?
Should silent. Burn it up some more. Okay. Spray it. Spray tiếng gì thì lẩu tà này.
Translation subtitle. If I do not spray, then the meat will stick onto this too hard to get it off.
Here's some big old steak.
And that was all of them.
We're not ready for the shish kebab yet.
Well, okay, that's he said let it marinate for a little bit. And we are going. No, of course. Okay.
So, kachupapi, naglatag yung aking asawa dito ng carpet. So, dito kami kakain later. And then, maganda ang araw natin ngayon. Hindi makulimlim, hindi malamig. Saktuhan lang. Lalagay na ng asawa ko yung steak sa lagayan. Is it cooked already? Get the onion. Look at this bee.
Get the bee. You can smell the meat, that's why.
Yeah.
You can smell the meat. There's a fly that flew in here and he killed himself. He thought that, oh, I'm going to get the meat, but it was way hot.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Okay.
Lalagay ko.
Good?
Don't taste anything.
You sure? Really a flavor.
You put
Salt, garlic, black pepper, butter, and the onion. But it'll be good with pepper. Because Right.
Kasupa ang sarap. Beef steak.
Right into the charcoal.
We have squid.
Bring the new
No, I'm gonna use that one for the squid.
Bring the new one for the vegetable. One each.
Maybe hold on. Not like that. Like this.
Ew, squid.
I'll do it.
The clean one is for the corn, B.
Winnie. Winnie.
You should put both of these on the same one then if you want to do that.
No, it's not gonna give me the
Fine.
Can I have some Ferrero
You're gonna have
Rocher?
squid flavor on this because if you smoke it together,
Winnie, can I have some Ferrero Rocher?
you should probably wait
When we're gonna eat?
when you're done.
Yeah, 5.
I don't know, when you're done.
Winnie, can I have some Ferrero Rocher?
But if you guys want to eat now, we can. We can just eat the rest of the stuff and then this will be after, but I think everybody will be full already by then.
Yeah, we should just eat after when he's done. Cause I just really want some Ferrero Rocher chocolate, bruh. I need some chocolate. Lego.
Yes.
I can have some?
Perfect. 2 only. Okay? 2 only.
Okay. Done.
You're so nice. He's not supposed to eat yet. He's like begging his dad to eat. His stepmom is so nice to him. Poor kid.
So, mga kachapapi, kakain na kami. Ito yung ating steak. Ito yung brat. And then, this is the squid. Niluluto pa, pero kakain na kami.
What happened?
Okay, put it there.
Big deal.
Steak. Brat.
Yeah, but the pepper makes it even like.
Pepper make it even better.
Hi mga kachupapi, finally tapos na rin kami kumain ng lunch at mag-alas 3 na ngayon, kain tayo ng dessert. Ito yung aking gamit na ice cream. Ito yung pinatikim sa akin ng Freddy ko. And then, lagay natin siya dito sa saging con yelo. Wala kasi akong crush na ano, yung pang crush ng yelo mga kachupapi. So ang ginawa ko na lang, ilagay ko na lang yung ice cube. Kayo na ang mag-crush. Kaysa bumili pa, di ba? Kain tayo. Wala rin akong gatas. Meron akong gatas dyan, kaya lang. Tikman nga natin kung masarap. Kahit walang gatas, masarap na. Lagyan ko naman yung gatas. Kaya lang kasi malaki yung gatas dito. Baka mamaya hindi magamit. Lagay tayo ng evaporated milk. Hugasan na natin. So, lagyan natin mga katsapari. Anong ganap mo? Uy, ang sarap! Tapos bukas, magchampurado ako. So, tara, tikman natin ito mga katsapari. Wala kasi yung pang-crush ng yelo eh. Pero kung meron siguro kung pang-crush ng yelo, mas masarap to. Ang sarap. My God. Hangat natin ko doon. Very busog. Hindi na namin naihaw yung puset dahil busog na kami. Ang dami namin niluto yung kabab. Hindi pa namin na mamaya ang dinner na lang. Kung kakain pa sila ng dinner. Tabi na natin ito. Nalaro na yung mga bata ng games. Pero tayo, hindi pa rin tayo busog. Naubos kasi ayokong itapon. Kasi kiki lang ang kalaro ko dito. So hanggang dito na yung ating vlog, mga kachupapi. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung ating vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless.